A household name for 67 plus years, the ultimate cooling comfort. Japan's #1 consumer appliances brand with a legacy of more than 106 years. Panasonic Air Conditioning. Pioneering innovative, cutting-edge technology, Panasonic brings effortless cooling and convenience for a better life. Presenting Panasonic, India ka CaptAIn Cool. Trusted AC for smart India. Cooling you can trust season after season. Just like a true CaptAIn with unmatched quality and unshakable trust. Panasonic's SU-T Series of air conditioners to make your home truly cool and comfortable. Panasonic's latest SU-T Series of ACs come in 3-star rating, which provides you the ultimate energy saving for complete peace of mind. This series comes in 1-ton and 1.5-ton capacities, catering to your diverse needs. Panasonic's advanced DustBuster technology activates automatically after every 8 hours of AC running, continuous or cumulative. In DustBuster mode, the outdoor fan rotates in reverse direction for 3 minutes to push out dust from the condenser coil. This results in steady cooling, better efficiency, enhances the outdoor unit's heat exchanger life. ConvertiH technology allows you to efficiently and effectively save energy by simply adjusting the cooling performance between 8 different levels by remote control. When your air conditioner coil gets clogged with dirt and dust over a period, it has to work harder to push air through to cool your space. This increases energy consumption and lessens cooling performance. Crystal Clean provides self-cleaning through frosting and defrosting mechanisms in just 15 minutes. It flushes out dust and dirt to ensure you always breathe clean and fresh air. Panasonic's trusted ACs are built for endurance with preventive anti-leak coating Shield Blu Plus on the copper U-pen, which prevents leakage of refrigerant and ensures a longer lifespan for the heat exchanger. Bluefin technology with hydrophilic properties also protects in high humidity coastal areas. 100% copper tubing delivers better heat transfer for faster cooling. Stabilizer-free operation ensures that this AC is designed to operate despite voltage fluctuations to provide you peace of mind. Not only is outside pollution harmful to us, but indoor air quality is equally important. To address this, it comes equipped with a PM 0.1 filter that provides you with clean and fresh air. For complete peace of mind, Panasonic offers a 10-year warranty on compressor and a 5-year warranty on PCB. The Panasonic SU-T Series is what your modern home truly deserves.
Panasonic.